Dear viewers, today we will discuss what is statistics. Statistics deals with collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. Mean in statistics, or we can say that statistics is the branch of mathematics. In statistics, analyze the data. Or for example, primary data, secondary data, etc. It involves using statistical methods to make inferences and decisions based on data, as well as to model a real world phenomena and forecast future trends. In statistics, we interpret the data. We use different methods to interpret for data. For example, we can say that mean, median, mode. The goal of statistics is to extract meaningful information from data and use it to make informed decisions. For example, when we survey in field, when we research in a topic, we get data, and that data we can experiment on that data and get meaningful information.